Have you ever needed an extra burner for a family gathering, moved into a dorm without a full kitchen, or gone camping only to realize cooking would be much more difficult than expected? Portable cooktops promise convenience, but many either heat too slowly or only work with specific cookware. So, can the Vayepro infrared double burner actually be the reliable cooking solution it claims to be? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Vayepro infrared double burner electric cooktop, an 1800-watt portable countertop stove designed for students, apartment dwellers, RV owners, campers, and anyone who occasionally needs extra cooking space. Unlike induction cooktops that require magnetic cookware, this infrared model works with almost any flat bottom pan, making it a flexible option for everyday cooking. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the cooktop has a clean, practical design with a durable stainless steel body that feels built for regular use. Despite having two burners, it's still compact enough to fit comfortably on a countertop without taking up too much space. The controls are simple and beginner-friendly, so you won't spend time figuring out complicated settings before making your first meal. Whether it's sitting in a small apartment, an office break room, or an RV kitchen, the overall footprint is surprisingly manageable. One of the biggest advantages of this cooktop is its compatibility. Since it uses infrared heating instead of magnetic induction, you can use stainless steel, aluminum, ceramic, glass, cast iron, and many other types of cookware. That means you don't have to replace your existing pots and pans just to use the appliance. For anyone switching from a traditional electric or gas stove, this makes the transition much easier and more affordable. Performance is where the Vayepro makes a strong first impression. The burners begin heating within seconds, so you don't spend long waiting before cooking. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, simmering soup, boiling pasta, or preparing a quick stir-fry, the heat feels responsive and evenly distributed across the cookware. The dual burner setup is especially useful because it allows you to cook two dishes at the same time, making meal preparation much faster than using a single portable burner. During everyday use, the cooktop fits naturally into busy routines. It's a great backup appliance during holidays when your main stove is already full, and it's equally useful in dorm rooms, vacation cabins, or RVs where kitchen space is limited. It can even be paired with compatible grill or teppanyaki accessories, adding extra versatility for casual indoor cooking. While it's not designed to replace a full-size kitchen range permanently, it handles most daily cooking tasks surprisingly well. Another nice feature is its automatic temperature regulation. Rather than constantly running at maximum power, the burner cycles on and off to maintain the selected temperature. That's completely normal for infrared cooktops and helps prevent overheating while improving energy efficiency. Built-in safety features, including thermal overload protection, add extra peace of mind during longer cooking sessions. Cleanup is refreshingly simple. Since the cooking surface is smooth and flat, most spills wipe away easily after the unit cools down. The stainless steel housing also resists everyday wear fairly well, helping the cooktop maintain its appearance over time. Just remember that the burner remains hot for a while after cooking, so allowing it to cool completely before cleaning is important. Of course, there are a few trade-offs worth mentioning. Like most infrared cooktops, the cooking surface becomes extremely hot, so extra caution is needed around children and pets. It also doesn't offer the instant cooling of induction technology. When boiling water, using a lid significantly improves heating speed, and that's something to keep in mind for the best results. Compared with similarly priced portable cooktops from Elite Gourmet, Cuisinmax, and Techwood, the Vayepro stands out by combining fast infrared heating with universal cookware compatibility and a practical dual burner design. While induction models may be slightly more energy efficient, they require compatible cookware, making this infrared cooktop the more versatile option for many households. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and practical buying guides. If you're interested in checking the latest price or availability, you'll find the direct product link waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.